Hello everyone, we are still on consonant sounds. All right, and this time we are looking at the li sound. Li sound, all right, that's L, li sound, and this li sound can be found in varieties of spellings, whether with single L or double L. All right, in a single L, you can have low, you can have low. All right, you can have low. Then you can have like, that's single L. All right. Then you can have words, fail, fail. All right, fail. Then we can have you know, uh, you can have late, late. All right, late, which is single L. We can have hail. Then we can have double L. All right, double L, like all, all. Then what about allow, allow, allow? Then fellow, fellow. All right, fellow, fellow. But don't forget, there are words that have L, and the L does not, sound. Okay, such words we have listed in the following category. We have code, code. All right, code, code. I want to transcribe code now. Just have this. All right, yes. Then should be like this. All right, so that's that. Then we have talk. All those ones, they are L. You don't talk, talk. No, it's talk. You talk. So the L there does not sound. Then would, would. What about the transcription? Will now be like this. Would. All right. Yeah. So we have yoke, yoke, not yolk. Don't say yolk. So that L there is not out. What about stock, stock, stock? So that L there does not come out. So you have all these ones. They are L. They don't sound out. This one, don't pronounce their L. Don't pronounce their L. Don't pronounce the L here. All right? Yeah. Then away from li sound, we have r sound, r sound, r sound. That's R. And you can find it in the varieties of spellings like single R. I have single R and double R. So under the single R, you can have road, road, road. Then read, read. You can have road here. All right? Then you have read. Okay? Then you have real. Because all of them single R. Okay? Then what about rig? That's still single R. The bottom line is it is read sound that is just recurring. Then we have run. That's the present tense of run. Okay? Rest. The same thing, single R. What about those ones with double R? R sound. All right? Lorry. Harry. All right? Don't forget when you are transcribing, what do? With these ones that have double R, just remove one, retain one. All right? That's what you do. So if I want to transcribe Harry here, remember I told you that when you are transcribing, and normally the U that you pronounce as O changes to what? And this inverted V. And if you are transcribing, you have double consonants. What do? You remove one, you retain one. And Y changes to E at the end. So I'll have Harry transcribe as this. Okay? So I'll remove one of the R, I'll only put one. Then the Y changes to E sound. Then I'll slash it this way. It becomes Harry. So that's the transcription of this. The same thing with Mary. All right, you retain only one, then the I here you change to E. All right, so here you have a case of double R again, which is this. Then what about carry? The same thing. All right, double R. Okay, but when you are transcribing, you remove one and retain one. Then what about barrister? That's what you also do. All right, when you are transcribing, you remove one. Take note, when you are transcribing and a word ends in ER, what do? The ER changes to what they call sure sounds. All right, and this sure. Okay, yeah. So even if the word ends in OR, it's the same thing. All right. As I earlier said in our previous class, that When a word ends in OR, it looks like all right? Pastor, sister, actor, daughter, all right? That's how it is. So we continue with the consonant sounds in our next class.